Hi guys, Chris Beckett, Pine & Beckett Realtors, Chris Beckett Real Estate Group. At 3506 Princeton Avenue, sorry the mask is making me choke. Wanted to give you a walkthrough, a Facebook Live walkthrough for you on this. It's kind of a unique property. It's an Adobe style, like a true Adobe style house built in 1982 on Princeton, which is a little awkward because it's technically Old Midland, but it's on the outskirts, but it's an Old Midland address, but it's got like raw cedar beams in here that like are actually like have termite damage in it that like specifically like that's supposed to be there. So it's just, but I mean, check this out. It actually has cinder block walls. So just wanted to, let me try not to make you throw up here. Hang on. So here's my entry. It's just really unique. Cedar windows, door trim. This is definitely not a traditional Midland style house. Hey, Eric. This is like something that like should be in Ruidoso. So if you like Ruidoso, this would be a good house for you. This is priced at $269,900. It's about 2,100 square feet. But it's just, it's like a Ruidoso house. I guess that's the best way to describe it. It's about 3.356 of an acre. Newer windows, big walk-in closets. It does have a 2-car garage, huge lot, sequestered owner's retreat. And Adeline, I mean, check out all the beams in here. I mean, that's quite elaborate. This is the owner's ceiling treatment. I think that's a cathedral ceiling. Again, solid. This sucker, I mean, like your neighbors are going to come over, which I think that means it's hard to hang up stuff. And if you do, it's not coming off. I'm just intrigued with the ceilings. Breakfast room, kitchen, huge laundry, Knotty Pine den, Knotty Pine kitchen cabinets. I mean, all of the ceilings are cedar, all of them, every one of them. And then it's got this little portico back here. Hey, Trudy. And then off the portico is a 2-car carport here, and then you can't turn your, okay, it's very cranky. It does not like me to turn that. So huge driveway. Big yard, cinder block fence, above ground pool, all concrete, little shop, shed, carport. So let me give you some quick stats on this. So this is Lily Heights subdivision. It's about 2,100 square feet, built in 1982, which is a little unusual for this neighborhood. 0.356 of an acre. Let me see. Above ground pool stay, 2-car garage, 2-car carport. So if you need a big land, big square footage of your land in town, this is a really good opportunity on this one. So just a quick breakdown. In this particular neighborhood, within the last 3 months, there have been 72 actives between 259 and 279. And then there's been 28 sales between 259 and 279. And then in the last 3 months, there's been 57 houses sell in this in this square MLS code on this one. And then your monthly payment on an FHA loan on this house, you're looking at 3.5% down at $269,000 is $9,400, and your monthly payment's $1,800 a month. And then on a conventional 10% down, which is $26,000 down, your monthly payment's about $1,656. So the difference between the difference between an FHA and a conventional loan is about $250. So it's better to keep your cash in the bank, because one's 3.5% down, $9,500. The other is $26,000 down for a difference of your payment of about $300. So keep your cash. So give me a call if you guys have any questions or want to take a look at this property, or call the office. We've got a ton of quality brokers and realtors at our office at 432-686-7000, or call me direct if you want to work with me, 432-349-7000. And my email is chris@pineandbeckett.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Wear your mask, and remember, it's always a great time to buy real estate. Have a good weekend, guys. Thank you.